Amy Schumer kind of apologizes for her Taylor Swift thigh gap joke. Today's episode of Newsfeed is brought to you by T-Mobile. With double the LTE coverage, you can know it from almost anywhere. Amy Schumer wants all of her fans to know that there is absolutely no bad blood between she and Taylor Swift. Amy Schumer took to Instagram to make a joke about Taylor Swift's thigh gap, which was on display with her 2016 Grammys dress. The Instagram post showed Amy and a friend frolicking on the beach in their swimsuits with the jokey caption, "Taylor, that's not thigh gap, this is thigh gap." Fans immediately responded claiming that Amy was body shaming Taylor's thin frame, but the comedian took zero time in reminding her fans that she and Swiftie are all good and that the joke was really making fun of herself and her lack of thigh gap. She posted a silly fake bearded selfie on Instagram with a sort of apology that said, quote, "That's not a beard, this is a beard. So sorry to anyone with a beard this may offend. I am a comic and should never make fun of myself at the expense of anyone else that I wasn't making fun of in the first place." She also ended the post with the hashtags #relax and #beard. Of course, Amy Schumer would also be hilarious, while she also makes a point. It's awesome, but right now, I have to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think that Amy's joke was totally fair game, or do you think she went too far with it? And how do you feel about that sort of apology post on Instagram? Get the convo going in the comment section. And right after that, click in this box right here for celebrities who slammed body shamers. I'm your host, Erin Robinson. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you next time. After that, click right over here for best moments from the 2016 Grammys, or get your Leonardo DiCaprio fix on with a throwback episode dedicated to our favorite Titanic hunk. Thanks again to T-Mobile for sponsoring this episode. Click to the right to stay in the know almost anywhere you go with double the LTE coverage.